이거 대박이야, 배. 이거 진짜 너무 쉬워. 그리고 진짜 좋아.
Right when I saw the before and after picture, I saw that I had a clear improvement with my skin tone. So you can see that the pore count from 212 became 123.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta get every job, Beyonce. It tastes so good. A one, a two, a one, two, three, four. Where are my soul sisters? Let me hear your flow, sister. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your favorite Unni, EuniUnni in the house today, and I'm so happy to see you guys. Now, today I wanted to talk about some products and tips that I feel like a lot of people might be curious about because these are things that I've been starting to add into my routine as I'm getting a little bit older, you know what I'm saying? So this is a time where I can see a bit of gravity hitting my skin, gravity hitting my body, so you really do feel it. Some of your older friends might have told you this, but like,
oh my gosh, once you hit late 20s, once you hit 30, it's different. Oh, 정말 달라.
but it really is, you know? You'll feel it. If you don't feel it yet, babies, just hold on. But it's not actually only products that you can use only in your 30s, but these are gonna be amazing, like that extra boosters that you can add into your routine to make a huge difference. All right, so the very first product is this hot device from Medicube. Medicube is killing it. Like I see so many of their devices on TikTok, on social media, on YouTube. I mean, even Mary from Selling Sunset is using one of their products and things like that, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to test every single one of the devices, but this one was the one that I wanted to introduce you to first. Now, this is called the Medicube HRATS Air Shot. It's a super easy to use device that has similar effect as microneedling. So I've been asked so many questions about microneedling. Is it safe? Can you do a tutorial? What are the how-tos? Or what are the don'ts actually? And also for product recommendation too, like what kind of microneedling product should I use, or what kind of ampoules or serum should I use afterwards? And I personally love microneedling. I've gotten it done multiple times by a professional at the dermatologist, but there is a reason why I didn't want to recommend microneedling and doing it at home, especially on your own. Especially because I don't do it on my own. Before I get into all the reason why I didn't want to recommend it, I think some of you guys might be wondering what microneedling is and why you've been hearing it so much. Basically, it's a procedure that pricks the skin with tiny sterilized needles. The small wounds cause your skin to make more collagen and elastin, which helps to heal your skin and makes your skin look more fresh, younger, and that's not all. There are so many other benefits. It's amazing for pore care. It can help to remove acne scars, hyperpigmentation, or unwanted just spots that you do want to remove. It's even used for stretch marks and hair loss prevention. And the very important point is it improves effectiveness of topical products. So whatever you put on afterwards, it makes them soak in much better. It sounds like it's something that everybody can benefit from, right? So a lot of people can actually benefit from microneedling, but the reason why I didn't feel 100% comfortable recommending it for you guys to try it at home is because there are so many other factors that you should definitely watch out for. Because you're literally using needles, like that's going and digging into your skin, you're not sure what you're doing. Number one, you can be using the wrong devices because every product has so much different sizes of needles, like the length of the needles and things like that. Secondly, sanitary reasons. A lot of times the product itself and your face, the environment might not be the best to do it, and even the amount of pressure you're supposed to use. Not to mention that aftercare is so important. After you get this procedure, it's so important of how you take care of it because if you don't take care of it the right way, it can lead to infections and so many other skincare concerns. And that's why I wanted to recommend microneedling, getting it done by a professionalist. However, doing it at home individually on your own, I didn't feel 100% comfortable recommending. So that's why I started using Medicube's HRATS Air Shot, and I can recommend it with a full heart. 100% assurance that you and your skin will love it. It's just super easy to use device that has similar effect as microneedling. It's FDA registered, there's no pain, no recovery period needed. It's a needle-free technology technology which increases product absorption rate up to 4 times. So whatever product you put on afterwards, you will get 4 times more effect for whatever serum you're going to be using. This device uses electro microneedle, so even with just one use, one thing you can see is that your skin looks much brighter. So your tone will improve, and you can actually see red lights from the device, and this is red LED lights, so you can get calming care at the same time. I've personally been seeing improvements visibly with my pores. My skin looks smoother, brighter, and definitely healthier, and I can see the glow. I mean, even my husband Derek has been using this twice a week ever since I showed him the results from the clinic. And the best part for him was that it was just so easy to use. I've actually given Derek so many devices before, but for him, he said it's just really hard to use and the how-tos are kind of complicated and things like that. But this one he has been loving. And what I meant about the clinical results is, honestly, before recommending this device for you guys, I wanted to make sure that I saw the results. The reason is because with pore improvement, with pore care, it's really hard to share through camera. Like, I could see it with my own eyeballs that my pores has improved, but just to be able to share with you guys like the before and afters of how visibly it has really helped with my pores, I thought it would be the best to get my pores analyzed for before and after. So this is my before and after of using the Medicube's HR ATS Air Shot and their serum, which is called the Medicube Zero Pore 1 Day Serum. You've probably seen it a lot on my channel. And these results are from using the device twice every week with the serum for 6 weeks. So the researcher told me that there was a clear result of pore count and density improvement.
수초는 약간 좋아지셨고요.
네.
모공 같은 경우에는 여기 이렇게 잡히는 게 많이
오,
줄어들어가지고
숫자가 완전
네네.
확연하게 좀 차이 났네요.
네.
오, 야.
스로 봐도 좀 줄었어요.
So you can see that the pore count from 212 became 123. Now, literally, it doesn't mean that it like zapped away my pores. However, it's saying that for the camera, visibly, there was less pores. And density from 18.8 became 10.9.
톤이 일단 전보다 되게 많이 좋아지셨고
톤이요.
피부가 되게 깨끗해졌고
And for me too, right when I saw the before and after picture, I saw that I had a clear improvement with my skin tone. So now I'm sure that you guys are so curious of how to use this device. The steps are super simple. First, make sure to cleanse your face thoroughly and then dry your face fully. Then simply turn on the device.
Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Level 4, Level 5.
There are 5 different levels you can choose from. Start with level 1 for 5 minutes for each session. You can use it up to 1 to 2 times a week. I used it twice a week, every week. Now, there's 3 different ways you can use it. There's tapping, sweeping, and brushing. I used the tapping method, which I found to be the easiest, and they have amazing, easy to follow tutorials for other methods, so you can watch the video for instructions. I'll leave it in the description below. After using the device, finish off by using your regular skincare products. I do want to highly recommend using a serum or an ampoule that especially targets your skin concerns, which for me, I wanted to focus on my pore care and especially like skin texture and stuff. So that's why I used the Medicube Zero Pore 1 Day Serum with it, and just finish off with your favorite moisturizer. And one thing to remember is when the device touches your skin directly, that's not when it works. It actually activates rather at a distance about 0.2 inches. So keep that in mind. And I just wanted to share some things that you should be careful for when you're using this device. With any device, make sure you use directions really, really carefully. And also Medicube, what they do really well is contents. With every device, with every product, they have so many like different tutorials and stuff. Even with this device, they literally have a 5-minute tutorial where you can like follow the model, so you can do it together with her. It's very, very helpful. However, personally for me, one of the things is I wanted to remind you that you should stay away from the eye area and your Adam's apple. So you can see in the tutorial that I didn't do it really close to my eyes, or I tried to avoid the Adam's apple part when you're doing it on your neck. And you don't feel any pain. So sometimes you might be like, is this working? Like, what's going on, but it is working, you guys, especially when you're apart from the skin from 0.2 inches. Sometimes there will be a little bit of sting, like a zap, so make sure that you test it on your hands first. And there can be a hint of something kind of a burning scent. So I hollered at my friend from Medicube, Audrey. You've probably seen her a lot on TikTok with Medicube's CEO Oppa. I love their TikTok. It's so fun to watch, especially with the CEO Oppa, which I got to meet, and he was super like supportive and so nice to us while we were all filming. So when I first smelled the like little burning sound, I turned it off and I called my friend right away.
이거 대박이야, babe. 이거 진짜 너무 쉬워. 그리고 진짜 좋아.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that you like it. I've been using it every day at the office too.
I know. I mean, I should have started using it earlier. 근데 what is that freaking like hint of smoke scent?
The like smokiness, yeah, it freaked me out at first too. But like, you know your little like peach fuzz or like baby hairs on your face? It'll kind of like zap those hairs, and so it has kind of a weird smell at first, but it goes away like after like a little bit of time using it, like 30 seconds, 1 minute. Then it's not going to bother you anymore.
Oh, okay.
And I did want to give you recommendations of the products that has the best combination with the device. And for pore care, for brightening, and for skin texture, I want to highly recommend this one, the Medicube Zero Pore One Day Serum. It has 15.2% AHA, BHA, and PHA, which helps to tighten pores, smooth out skin texture. It does sound like it has high amount of these chemical exfoliating ingredients. However, even for myself, the formula did not feel too harsh nor strong, and it also does contain 2% of niacinamide. As you guys know, it is amazing for brightening dark spots, acne scars, and pigmentation. And most importantly, I am so happy and excited for you guys to try this out. I know that you guys will love it. This is something that with my like 110% assurance, I can really highly recommend, and I've seen such good results with. For others that want to check out the details, I will leave everything in the description below. And also, you do have my code right here that you can get discounts for this device and any product on the Medicube site, so please do check it out. All right, guys, so let's move on to the next investment that I've been making for myself, for my skin, for my body. And these days, I've been focusing a lot on inner beauty. I feel like taking care of course, the outer beauty is really important, but inner is really important. Now, this is what I've been taking every single day these days. This is the Vital Beauty Super Collagen. It's a liquid type, fast absorbing collagen, which was specifically designed to support your skin, your hair, and nails. And it is by Amore Pacific. I felt like a little bit more assured about the product. But of course, make sure you do check out the ingredient list, especially for supplements. Now, for your skin, it helps to improve your skin elasticity, and it helps to slow down aging. For hair, it promotes healthy hair and hair growth. And for nails, it helps to become stronger and healthier, which helps to prevent brittleness. And I know that a lot of people have been asking me to do a hair tutorial, like of how I take care of my hair and even my nails too. So here they are, and definitely this supplement, it's not a thing that you can see results right off the bat, but if you continuously take it for a certain period of time, then you will be able to see the results. Like personally for me with nails, I didn't really see any results, but when I recently went to get my nails done, my nail artist, she said usually my nails became a little bit like softer and kind of wigglier. Like you could say you can literally kind of wiggle it and stuff like that, but she said it was stronger. So she's like, oh, are you doing anything? Like, are you applying nail polish or like, you know, like nail serums and stuff like that? And I was like, no. So I was thinking about like, what am I doing differently? Like, what did I do? Like, you know, but I was thinking, oh, I took these supplements for a very long time, so maybe that's what kind of helped. So if you continuously intake it, you will be able to see good results for your skin, for your hair, and your nails. So this baby has fish collagen, it has green tea, fermented extracts, powder probiotics. It also has palm dates, which has very strong antioxidant effects, and it has a lot of amino acids too. And it does have only 20 calories per one serving, and you're supposed to take one every single day. And I did want to kind of tell you guys why we need collagen. Collagen is something that we already have in our bodies and our skin. The dermis layer of our skin has 70% of collagen. And collagen is a protein that serves as one of the main building blocks for your bones, your skin, your hair, muscles, ligaments, and so much more. And collagen is what keeps our skin from sagging, giving us that plumped, youthful look. But because of due to aging, stress, diet, like lack of sleep, synthesis of collagen decreases in our body. So I do want to recommend it. Number one, if you want easy absorption of collagen daily. Number two, maybe add a bit of moisturizing effect for your body. Number three, when you have severe concerns of kind of dryness for your skin or even dehydration. And I feel like especially when I'm on a diet, I do kind of feel the dehydration and dryness for my skin. So around those times too, if you are having those kind of skin concerns, this will be a great addition into your routine for that extra help, that extra support. Oh, and taste is freaking important, right? That's like the most important thing, no? Like when I take supplements, usually if it's in pills, I'm good because I gulp it down. But you know, sometimes when you do eat when you do take like fish supplements, like fish oil supplements, you can kind of smell it afterwards, like it's like there kind of. So I kind of don't like those, but you know, for my body I'll suck it up, but I don't find myself reaching for it too much. But this one tastes freaking good. It tastes like melted berry gummy bears. That's exactly how it tastes like, and when you taste it you'll be like, oh 언니, that's exactly how it tastes like. So this is really easy. Let me take one right now. It smells like gummy bears. I swear, as soon as you open the wrap, it's straight up like jelly gummy bears. And when you take it,
You gotta get every drop, you know what I'm saying? I don't do this, guys, but sometimes I get like little water and I get the leftover juice and then I drink it and stuff like that with other like products.
But anyways, that's TMI right there, you know what I'm saying? However, it tastes so good. Like I find myself kind of wanting to take it, and it's just really easy. You just take it once with you. They do recommend it that you take it for night routine, and it's very small. So it's a compact size. You can pop it anywhere in your bag or whatever, so you can just kind of remind yourself to take this daily. Usually with this kind of collagen supplements, I want to highly recommend that you continuously use it. That's how you can be able to see the results. So one of the things that I think about very importantly is inner beauty, and I do take supplements for them. So if you guys are curious too, let me know. I'll make a whole video on what kind of like vitamins I take, what kind of food I intake for anti-aging, what kind of juices I drink for detox, for my health and things like that. So overall, if you guys are curious about that too, please make sure to leave it in the comments below. And I will also leave the link in for Vital Beauty Super Collagen in the description below, so please do check it out. All right, guys, hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the investments that I'm making, the extra investments that I'm making for my skin. If you guys are more curious about devices, about, you know, supplements, or even like the treatments that I'm getting on my face, please let me know in the description below, okay? If you guys have any questions, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, my unicorns. Bye. It is so hot. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm sweating like crazy. And Onni's gonna turn on the AC now. I'm gonna go get some Subway, and I'm gonna enjoy myself, okay? I love you. I hope you have a beautiful day too, and I hope you enjoy yourself today. Okay, bye. And by the way, this is a little bit of TMI, but it is Derek's birthday. By the time this video goes up, it'll be past, but still, let's give some birthday shout out to Derek. Happy birthday, Derek. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my hubby Derek, who's not here, who's out to get some Subway. Happy birthday to you. It's the heat. Okay, I love you.